In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude to create high converting Instagram carousels. These are not going to be generic, low quality posts. Instead, we are building carousel based on real Instagram best practices. What you are getting today is a repeatable system built on data and proven performance patterns. Let me quickly explain how this system works. Whenever you feed it a topic or simply copy and paste a blog article, it analyzes the content through a series of key checkpoints. It determines the best format for the topic, calculate the ideal slide count, applies proven hook writing rules, verifies structural integrity, and check for virality potential. The final result is a polished, non-generic carousel that doesn't sound like it was written by AI. We will set up this system inside Claude projects as a custom instruction prompt. I have included the file instruction in the video description below so you can easily download and reuse it. If you want to understand how the instruction file works behind the scenes, just upload it directly into Claude and ask it to break down the process for you. It will explain every step of the logic. Now let's jump in and set up our Claude project with these instructions. I will name this Claude project. Now our project is created. So now we paste instruction into that project. Now after pasting instructions, now we will ask Claude to generate carousel. Now as you can see, we got result from Claude, and this result is text based right now, and this is not a generic one. This is a special one because we feed our instruction based on data. So let's see what Claude gave us, and after that we will generate our designs. So as you can see, based on the topic, Claude selects playbook of its, which is step/value. This is a comparison topic with clear constraint distinction, and its tier, its slide count, hook category, and then Claude gave us slide 1, slide 2, and so on, slide 3, and so on, and in last we have some call to action. After that we have caption, some hashtag suggestions, virality design, audio reminder, and tone check. You can read this when you get your result based on your topic, and you will easily understand what is that. You can also pause this video and read it so that it makes sense to you as well. Now what I will do is ask Claude to create its actual design. So I will paste my instruction here. Now Claude will generate our carousel. Also we can give our brand theme, brand guidelines, our custom fonts, name, colors names, etc. so that Claude generate carousel based on our theme. Now as you can see, our carousel is ready and we have 8 slides and one HTML carousel. This is the first slide, as you can see, and we have all the other slides. The second one is this. We can also do this with our color palette and our fonts. We just have to ask Claude regarding this and it will create accordingly. So this is how we can make Instagram carousel using a great system. If you found this video helpful, so please do share this video to someone who needed the most. Thank you so much.